Hi, my name is Sharan and today I will be demonstrating the use of triggers. So the first question is, what is trigger? Trigger is a stored procedure in a database that invokes when any event occurs. It invokes automatically. There are three types of triggers: before, after and instead of. So in this case, we'll be talking about before trigger. Before trigger uses specific DML commands like insert, update and delete, and if condition doesn't match in one of these, then it throws an error. There are two types of before trigger. First one is at row level and second one is statement level. So the question for today I will be doing is, in advance of row being added, modify or remove from the image table, certain regulation must be fulfilled concerning the photographer that the image is assigned to. So my first question is, image with the usage cost of more than 35 may be only added if the photographer table provided whose specialism is in corporate. My second question is will be about updating. The usage cost of an existing image may only be decreased provided the image is assigned to the photographer whose qualification is in diploma. My third is, an image with an action type may only be removed from the database provided the related specialism of photographer is in sports. So here's the program for this. The first line is like create or replace trigger name. This is my trigger name, image id underscore app. Here I'm using before trigger. So before insert or update or delete on image. This is my table name for each row. As I said, there are two types of before trigger, statement level and for row level. So here I'm using row level. And declare the variable you want to use. So here I've taken specialism from photographer and qualification from photographer table. So begin. So here I will be inserting like image cost is greater than 35 may only be added if corporate is specialism. So here is my code for this inserting. So select specialism into the variable I created here from photographer table, where photographer ID is equal to new photographer ID. Here new is a keyword in the trigger, and for this if I've used if new usage cost is greater than 35 and specialism is not corporate, then it must throw an application error that a new image with usage cost greater than 35 and must have a specialism in corporate office only. And else if I am updating the before insert that qualifications into vcoil, the vcoil I created here, like from photographer, same as like last, where I'm same as like where I'm creating this ID with new keyword. Here it is saying that if the new usage cost is less than old usage cost and the qualification is not diploma, then it must throw the application error. The application error I've given is if existing usage cost is greater than new usage cost and the photographer must have a qualification as a diploma. Here I am deleting from specialism, like I have selected specialism into V specialism, and from photographer, where photographer I've taken ID and the old photographer ID I'm saying. So if the old photo ID whose image type is action and specialism is not in sports, then it must throw the error existing image must be of action type only, and it should be removed if the specialism of photographer is in sports. So I will run this command into my SQL prompt. So here it shows trigger created, so no error, clear screen. So I will run that some test cases that I've created. So first one is about the insert. So I will insert some values like insert into image ID, usage cost, photographer ID and description. Values is 36, 45 and 4. So here my image ID here like is 36, and I've given the image ID, and is my usage cost is 45, so it is more than 35, and photographer ID is 4, and photographer ID at 4 was my corporate. So let's see if it gets inserts or not. So it shows that one row created. Now my second case, same, but here it is sports. My photographer ID at number 10 is sports. So I will see if it gets inserted. So no, it doesn't get inserted. It throws an error. And image usage cost is greater than 35. I must have a specialism in corporate office. So yeah, my insert before insert is working quite good. So I put roll back. You'll see a clear screen. So now I will use update before update. So I've given update on image table, usage cost plus 10. And here I'm giving like usage cost, if it is less than old usage cost and qualification is not deployed, it must throw an error. At image ID is equal to 30. So I will see if it gets updated. So yeah, it shows that it is getting updated. Let's check the second case. Here I'm saying usage cost must be less than the current usage cost. So if I will see if it gets updated or not. So yeah, it throws the error, application error, that existing image cost is greater than the new usage cost and the photographer must have qualification as diploma. So it throws the error at the first line only. So roll back. So for my third case is deleting. So delete from table name where image ID is equal to 22. Let's see if it deletes. So condition you can see here, it's like old image type must be an of action and specialism must not be in sports. So it gets inserted. And here if I see, here I've taken the image ID 12 where it is corporate, and let's see if it gets inserted or if it gets deleted or not. So yeah, it throws an error that existing image type must be of action type and that the image should be removed if specialism of photographers is in sports. So it doesn't remove. So I guess the image ID 12 was corporate. So I'm talking about this is the use of trigger, and we use in one particular table, but we can join, like I already joined here with the photographer table. This is the trigger we can do for one particular table. Thank you.